Okay, this is 4 hearts interwoven, and let's have a look at a mosaic of this. See in the green and the red, let's get a real clear look. That is a pattern you're going to be doing. You can see how these lines follow underneath here, forming these heart shapes, and the 4 of them interwoven together create this square shape on the outside. Now, as we've gone through on the general ones, be aware that these areas here, there's these dead areas that don't signify anything. They're not really part of the pattern. So let's have a look at the colored version here. And the important thing to note is how the patterns, how the strands curve around here. This is one of the main things you're going to need to use as a point of reference. So if we have a look at just a black and white, you can see here it's these lines here in the top, just as the strands curl round. So if we go up to here, what you want to do is start on the outside. You know that this is a black line here. So you can do, say, if we start here on the top right, you're doing this black line here, just do a couple down there. Now, it has to be, take the mid, just off, there's a center, just off midpoint. There's your black line, 1, 2, 3. That should be another black line. If you can see what I've done here. Okay, now, this is part done. You see down here on the bottom, I'll see if I can just get that a bit larger. You see I've just done a little bit of a scribble on each one, gone across, and there's the other side of the strand. Now, what you need to look for, we get this one, is these triangles here. See the triangle there? Let's get back onto here. And over on the right, can you see? Here's the strand we're following on the right. See there, up to there, triangle and round. Do not go into here. You've got triangle, then there's only space for one tesserae. I usually say don't count tesserae on the length at all, only on the width, but this is an exception here because this helps there. So start on these edges. Find the other side and then look for that. And once you've got that, you get a fair estimation of 1, 2, 3. There's your 4th one. In reality, the 5th of these strands. You can complete that round there. Then you go up onto the other one. Start here. Now you know, because you'll have filled in here, how this goes and up to there. Do some of these, look for that triangle, square, 1, 2, 3. This is in reality the 5th, the other side of the strand. You know how far it can go, and follow that round there again, usually going in an anti-clockwise form. Just showing you that one there. Let's take a look at that again, showing you that space. So this is the bit we're concerned with round here. As the black tesserae come round and take the corner there. Let's have another look. So here you can see, although this one is geometrically more correct, you can see how they form a circle, because the actual underlying geometry is a circle there, circles there, all together to form squares. But when it's done in reality, you don't tend to get that. So remember, this is all dead space here, 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 and bottom left here. So get into these black lines here. Look for that triangle. Once you've got these outer ones done, then you can start looking at here. Coming in, triangle, round, and then you don't even need to know how far that goes. So long as it just goes past here, we're up the top. As long as it goes past there, then you can go 1, 2, 3 colors. There, you know, your other black line will start. You run it round there. don't even need to go as far, because if you haven't coloured any more in, you won't need to go. Might not be sure how far that goes, just as long as you come down here. Then you start on this one. We're on the right hand side again. Black square, triangle, comes around. Now this line will already be done in, so you have that there. And then just follow that on. Once you have this line in, and then you put this line in, you'll be able to complete these two because you'll have already had that one in.